Welcome back to the ISNaDBiblio tutorial series. In Module 08, we explore the co-authorship network. This module turns a list of authors into a map of relationships, so you can see who works with whom, which research groups have formed, and who connects one group to another. Let's begin. Click the Co-authorship menu in the sidebar. The Co-authorship network page is now open. This network has two main elements. The first is a node, and each node represents one author. The second is an edge, a line that connects two authors when they have written together. The thicker the line, the more often those two have collaborated. The size of a node usually reflects how many collaborations that author has. Now look at the colors in the network. The same color marks one cluster, a group of authors closely connected to each other. A cluster usually reflects a research group, a single institution, or one stream of topics. Authors who sit between two clusters act as bridges. That bridging role matters because ideas flow between groups through these people. At the top of the page, there is a setting for the minimum collaboration threshold. Raising the threshold hides collaborations that happened only once. That helps the core structure emerge from a network that is too dense. You can switch between the two-dimensional and the three-dimensional view. Let's click the 3D button now. The three-dimensional view makes it easier to see a network whose nodes overlap. Now let's go back to the two-dimensional view. The two-dimensional view is more comfortable for reading the author name labels. With that, we have walked through everything in the co-authorship module. You can now read the collaboration structure of this field of study. In the next module, we move on to top documents to identify the most influential works. See you there.